Hey everybody, Standell, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Well, here we are at the end of the calendar year of 2022. Man, how fast this calendar year went by. But we achieved a whole lot during this time period, and we're looking forward to 2023 as we unveil some really cool agendas for the next year. We had a blast this year, meeting some new folks, getting reacquainted with some old longtime friends, and seeing all kind of really cool BMWs out there. Really looking forward to 2023. We have a great staff on board, and as we come out of our planning meeting January 21st for the next year, really looking forward to some of the events that we have on schedule for you. So I just thought I'd take this time just to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Feliz Navidad, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Meal. If I missed anything for anybody, we want to just remember this is the time for family and friends during this time period. And you understand there's a bigger reason why we celebrate this holiday. So from everybody here that's supporting the chapter, the members, and all the folks in our support team in all different capacities, just want to say thank you for what you do and look forward to 2023. As we always say, we normally say happy motor, but I guess this will be official. Happy sleigh ride. See you next year. Thanks. Bye.